In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and open Figma files, specifically focusing on how to export your designs from Figma. If you're a designer or someone just getting started with Figma, you'll find this guide very helpful as we'll go through the steps methodically, ensuring that you can seamlessly save your work and access it later. Whether you're working on UI like UX design, illustrations, or prototyping, having a local copy of your files can be incredibly useful. To begin, you'll want to head over to figma.com/login. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. You can easily log in with your Gmail account if you prefer, or use your email and password if that's what you're comfortable with. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll find all your recent Figma files. Now locate and open the Figma file you wish to save locally. This is a straightforward process. Just click on the file's thumbnail in your dashboard to open it up. Once you've got the file opened, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Figma icon. Clicking that icon will open a down-dropping menu with a variety of options related to your file. In the file menu that appears, you'll want to navigate to the File section. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Save Local Copy. This is what we need, so go ahead and select it. Now this action will prompt a file browser to appear. This is essentially a window that allows you to choose the destination on your computer where you'd like to store your .fig file. It's a good idea to pick a location that's convenient for you, perhaps a project folder or a design directory you frequently use. Once you've selected your desired location, it's time to save the file. Simply click the Save button and your Figma file will be stored locally on your hard drive as a .fig file. Remember, having a local backup of your files can be particularly useful not only for redundancy, but also for sharing with colleagues who might prefer working offline. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a Figma file and saved it locally. The steps are quite simple once you get the hang of it. Remember that saving your progress periodically is a good practice in any design project to protect your work from unexpected issues. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and now feel more confident in managing your Figma files. Keep experimenting and saving your projects, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.